We've seen what myopia is and how it can be corrected. But what's hyperopia? In simple words, it's exactly the opposite of myopia. Hyperopia is also called farsightedness. In this case, the distant objects are clear while the nearby objects appear blurry. This is because the light is focused behind the retina rather than on the retina. As I say, myopia and hyperopia are exactly opposite of each other. So the cause of hyperopia is also opposite to the cause of myopia. This defect results due to the eyeball being smaller than usual. So the distance between the lens and retina is smaller than it should be in a normal eye. And hence the image of a nearer object is formed behind the retina. And just as myopia can be corrected using a concave lens, this defect can be corrected using a convex lens. The convex lens helps in focusing the light at the correct place. Now that we know the basics of myopia and hyperopia, let's move on to another eye defect. We know that the cornea is a curved outer layer which refracts most of the light entering the eye. But sometimes the curvature of the cornea is distorted. It may become irregular like this, slightly elongated in the middle. This defect of the eye is termed as astigmatism. What happens when a person is suffering from this condition? In this condition of the eye, all the light is not focused at one point. In fact, it's focused at more than one point. And the second point could or could not be on the retina. It may lie in the front of or behind the retina. Astigmatism also results in the object appearing blurry. But is this defect for far away or nearby objects? It could be either. One of the reasons for change in shape of cornea may be continuous rubbing of eyes. This is the reason why we're advised to not rub our eyes too often. Another eye defect I want to discuss is presbyopia. This is the condition of the eye commonly found in senior citizens. In this eye condition, distant objects are clearly visible, but nearer objects appear blurry. Yes, you probably guessed that presbyopia is similar to hyperopia. Here as well, the light gets focused behind the retina. However, unlike hyperopia, it does not occur due to the shortened eyeball. What is the reason for this eye defect then? As the person ages, the lens reduces its power of accommodation. It means that the lens loses its flexibility to move. In this condition, the lens cannot adjust its focal length in such a way that the nearby objects are visible. Now, if you remember, in one of our earlier videos, I said that for a normal eye, the minimum distance between the object and the eye should be at least 25 centimeters. This would cause no strain to our eyes. But in presbyopia, the distance is more than 25 centimeters. Nearby objects do look blurry with this eye defect.